All right, I'm going to test, make sure that my meter is working correctly here.
Yeah.
Testing for voltage. We want to make sure that we got that constant V with that red light on. We know the meter's working. Now we're going to take it and set it in the appropriate voltage. We're going to test for the presence of voltage. No V. Test again to make sure no voltage. Test here. Test. Test again. Now we're going to go back and recheck the meter to make sure that it's working. All right, we've retested the meter to make sure it's working after we tested for the presence of 0 voltage there. So we know that we have 0 voltage in doing our test right there. For demonstration purposes here, I'm not going to wear the face shield, the double laser switching hood, and my gloves. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here to the breaker. To discharge the breaker, before I do this, I'm going to take a deep breath. And when I discharge this breaker, I'm going to step away from that in case something should happen. I'm going to go here with my left hand. I'm going to take my breath. And I've moved away from that breaker. All right, now the breaker, we have discharged it. To operate this breaker, I'm going to push this in, open the window up. I'm going to stand to the side, and I'm going to rack the breaker out into the open position right here. Now we've got this out. Now it's out into the open position. I can also step back here, and I can look in this inspection window. I can also see that it's disengaged from the bus, and it is in the open position. All right, we'll go back through the procedure now for energizing the breaker. To re-energize the breaker, we're going to stand to the side. We're going to rack the breaker in. You'll notice this is not the easiest thing in the world to do right here. Breaker is charged, so now to operate the breaker, I want to take with this pushed in, pull this to the side, close the breaker. I'm going to operate this green button right here. And that's the procedure for engaging, disengaging. Also, when this is discharged, I want to stand to the right side of this, take my left hand, pull the handle up, and recharge the breaker. Thank you very much. That's the proper procedures.